So that was it. Yeah, at Lemoenkloof.
And Klaver.
And Klaver. There's these water canals. Supply the whole area.
And this is specifically number 4A.
Number 4A, yeah. All these trees are dead, eh?
I wonder why.
Yeah. All of them along here, look.
Oh, I see.
So today we're heading to Vanrhynsdorp guest houses, eh? Vanrhynsdorp trekpad guest houses.
Yes.
And then the ultimate goal is over there. But we're going to be traveling through Vanrhynsdorp. We're going to be going through Nieuwoudtville. But on our way to Vanrhynsdorp, I'm hoping to, or just on the other side of Vanrhynsdorp, to find the Oorlogskloof Nature Reserve. That looked very interesting to me. And then also the Hantam Botanical Gardens just there by Nieuwoudtville. So hopefully we get quite a bit of interesting places to see today.
It'll be my first time in Vanrhynsdorp.
Myself, I've never been there before.
And my mommy was born there.
Oh really?
So I'm keen to see.
That'll be interesting to see. Wow, that's yonks ago, eh?
Yeah, you can say that again.
Yo.
So how much of it is gravel and how much of it is tar?
There's not much gravel. I'm trying to find some gravel roads. I looked on the map to see where I can turn off. So, but we'll have to just explore and see where we can find gravel.
We'll have to learn to say Nieuwoudtville.
I can't. It's Nieuwoudtville for me. So this is the N7.
So yesterday when we saw those vineyards next to the riverbed, we thought they may flood sometimes, and the lady on the farm confirmed it.
She said they do flood, yeah.
I thought they were just too close for comfort, eh?
Sure. I had to stop here on the N7 just to look at that amazing peak.
Yeah.
It's incredible,
The
eh?
shape is incredible, yeah.
We've never been in this area before. This is our first time, eh? I can remember we drove up here many moons ago when we went to Agrabis, but we never noticed this. Just look at that. That is incredible.
Gifberg and Urian Scroll.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Gravel road.
Does this take us to Vanrhynsdorp?
Yes, but it's just this road, the N7 will take us there as well. But I wanted to find a bit of gravel to take.
Absolutely. Hey, that little chimney is gone completely now, eh?
Totally
Because the angle has changed.
crazy. Sonia spotted some meerkats over here. That's why I stopped, but they charged into their little den. And I don't know if I'll be able to wait long enough for them to come out. I just have to see. This little mound just in the front here. That's where they are. But they've just disappeared, all of them. I don't think he's going to come out now, eh?
No. He has warned the others and they all stay put now.
Yep.
And even if they peep their little eyes over that little mound, we won't see.
Won't see them, yeah. Okay, let's go. You can see this is where they do target practice or to get their rifles accuracy. They lay up over there, and then there's a target just over there. And then further down in the valley there's targets which I'm sure you won't see.
Oh, I see. Is that the different distances?
Yes. That's pretty, eh?
Beautiful.
just imagine those guys who like to climb mountains, climbing that rock face. That would keep them busy for a while.
What do they call it? Bouldering or
Bouldering or something like that. I've got no idea. Rather them than me.
something? Agreed.
Is this Vanrhynsdorp?
My first time.
I think these are quiver trees. We're coming into Vanrhynsdorp now, and right here we see quiver trees. It's definitely a plantation of these trees, but I'm sure it's quivers.
Are they? Very interesting. Look at the bottom. Stop. Look at the bottom of every tree. It's like funny.
Interesting what the bottom of the tree looks like, eh?
Yeah.
Looks like the bark is split, but every single tree is like that.
That must be how they are, how
Yeah.
it works.
These are
Wow,
definitely
look
quiver
at
trees.
these.
Wow.
Look at these.
Yes.
They're beautiful, eh?
Very. Amazing.
They look like big bonsai.
Yeah. Now we came into Vanrhynsdorp from the backside.
As we do.
Yes.
It's trapped in time.
Definitely.
My vibe is that it's trapped in time.
Wow. Whoa. Look at this.
I mean, this is the real hub.
This looks like this is where the action is. Hey, check it.
Nice filling station.
Yes, big one.
But you see why, hey? Because the Cape Namibia route continues there, and this is the start of the Olifants River wine route.
Okay.
Succulents. Kokerbome.
Now, quiver trees, eh? Okay.
Radio Namakwaland.
Bit of action for them.
Karoo Highlands route. Like a lot of routes come together here.
Yeah.
And leave from here. It's a time church. It's cute.
That's the high school.
Wow. This is the
Protestant church. Yeah.
I
This is
love
the
it.
high school. Look at
I
this.
love it.
Incredible, eh?
And that's also that same
Stone.
Ironstone.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just calling it ironstone. It's just got that blue look to it. It looks as if it's rock hard. Eh? Literally. Pardon the pun.
I think you have a 100% chance of being correct. How cool is that?
Yeah.
I was never in a school like that.
No.
I like it. I
No,
like
this
what
is
I see.
nice. This is really nice, eh?
Super cool. I like it. These are the more as the town grew.
The
You see,
more
these are
modern.
more modern houses.
Yeah, definitely.
you go that way, I just
I
want to
was
see.
there.
Yeah, but that's the end of town.
There's a gate there as well.
That's what I saw when we turned left earlier. Now this is the end of town.
Yeah. Still a few houses here.
What are those elephants?
Wait,
Those things up top there on either side of the gate.
look like elephants. It's pretty far away.
Namakwa.
Definitely elephants.
Namakwa Raisin Company, babe.
Wow.
Wow.
Check the elephants at the top here. So we just saw a sign there that says it's the Matsikama municipality.
Yeah, never heard that before.
Didn't know that at all.
Ew, that looks suspiciously like a correctional facility.
And I think you're right.
Goodness.
This is massive, eh? Check the barbed wire on the top. Oh, this is for sure a correctional facility.
Are you laughing? Stop.
No, because you said it looks suspiciously like one.
Yeah, I'd say, eh?
Wow, is it?
And people live like just across the road.
Oh, this is definitely a correctional facility. Vanrhynsdorp Correctional Facility.
I even used the right terminology.
Yes.
I should have just called it a jail.
Look at this. Wow. Washing cars. Okay. That was interesting. So we've decided to stop here at Mikie's restaurant and grill here in Vanrhynsdorp to have a lunch. Pretty neat, huh? Something tells me they like to collect ties. Wow, they got enough tires here, let me tell you. All around, look at this. This bar collects tires, eh? Look how nice that looks. Color tonic and lemonade with 3 slices of lemon, and as usual, my appetizer.
No prizes for whose looks the nicest.
Looks stunning though, eh? Wow. This is our lunch, been waiting for it now, and this is mine, spaghetti bolognese with parmesan. Sonia's got her chicken schnitzel and chips and some coleslaw with, of course, a cheese and mushroom sauce mixed before they put it on. So we've just had our lunch here, and I pronounced the restaurant's name incorrectly. It's not Mikie's, it's Mikie's. Lunch was great, eh? I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed the town.
Yeah, Vanrhynsdorp is pretty cool.
Like it. I like it.
So if that was Vanrhynsdorp, we've done it. Very interesting.
Huh.